Yeah. The smoke you're seeing, the black smoke, that's those bricks burning off. And you can turn the flame down at some point, but I'm going to leave it going because I have tons of battery power. Apparently, the built-in battery is supposed to last like 9 hours, but if there's any flaw to this system is having to rely on the battery, but it is a gasifier stove, so you, and the way it's built and enclosed and insulated, the only way to get air in this is with a fan. And if you, like I said, if you have a battery bank, you can burn this forever, pretty much, you know. And here's that other container. I mean, I can fill that up right now with more pellets. And like I said, when this one is, you can add pellets to this. I would only do it slowly, because if you add too much, you'll end up smothering the fire. Or what you can do is when this gets low, still has coals in it, you remove it, like so, pull it up, have this one filled with pellets, put this one in, but what you do is you take this, the hot coals that are in this, and you just dump it into this one here, and you can almost continue on where you left off. It may take a few minutes for the flames to catch, but yeah, I'm just gonna let that go. We'll time it. Okay, so the flame's still going, but it's getting down below the point where you can actually see it. It's putting out a lot of heat, and now, mind you, it's pretty windy out. So if this was a totally protected area, you'd really get some heat out of this. Definitely can cook on that at this point. Now you could add more pellets if you needed to. I'm confident that this would run at least, I don't know, hour 15, hour and a half without all the wind. So I'm going to end this test for now and then pack things up.